Ladies and gentlemen, that's just an indication for the cabin crew to be released from our seats when starting flight duties. Seatbelt sign is still illuminated, that's the one next to the no smoking sign in the panel above your head. While this is illuminated, please keep your seatbelts loose. Please keep your seatbelt fastened. So we do ask you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of any unexpected turbulence. Aboard your aircraft today, there are 3 toilets, one at front and 2 at the rear of the cabin. These are fitted with baby changing facilities and highly sensitive smoke detectors. Please do remember that smoking is strictly not permitted whilst on board, and this does include the use of e-cigarettes. In just a few moments time, the cabin crew will join you in the cabin with the sale of our Easyjet bistro service. If you don't have time to grab anything to eat or drink today, we have a fantastic range of sandwiches. These include the hot bacon baguettes, the ham and cheese toasty, and the folded calzone pizza. If you prefer a full sandwich, we have the spicy southern chicken and some roll, and the better rocket sandwich. These can be purchased individually or within a meal deal from just £7. We also have an extensive range of sweet and savoury snacks, hot drinks, cold drinks and alcoholic beverages. Just a quick reminder, ladies and gentlemen, if you have brought any alcohol with you today, please do keep this sealed for your consumption once you get to your resort. Only alcohol served by the crew can be consumed on board. Please have your order ready for when the cabin crew come through. Please get all that you need for the next hour or two, as we will not be serving drinks or snacks off the trolley. Please have the correct change where possible, and we accept a credit or debit card as well, with no charge for this service. For now, please sit back, relax, and if we can be any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact a member of the crew.